Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily catch fairies and grow a garden. So basically, you can just go around and catch fairies, but you can actually just wait here, and when they come back, you can just kind of like catch the fairies and wait for them to come back to their house and kind of just take them here and collect them here. I find that a little bit just easier than just going around. But you can have to just stay here. But obviously, you can also collect them around the fields, around the field. I mean, around the map, around the area. But I usually just wait and then booyah, and then booyah. Okay, that was random, but that is how you can catch fairies easier and faster. You can even catch two, as you can see. If they're going out of the house. I don't think my plants don't really need the mutation anymore, so just catch them while they're going out and in the tree house. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section. Oops, that was too late. Down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.